Hello and welcome to Bradstreet CPA's video tax tip of the week. My name is Lance Bradstreet. Thank you for joining us. Today is January 4th, 2012, and in the email tax tip of the week series, we're sending out some organizational tips for all the business owners out there. And I truly believe that those business organizational tips could really be applied to a lot of residential financial situations as well. As always, if you want to read those email tax tip of the weeks, they can be found at bradstreetcpas.com/blog. They're all libraried there, and there's a lot of fantastic information. Keeping in the same vein of thought today, I kind of want to talk about a similar problem of getting organized as far as accounting and bookkeeping go for business owners that I see quite often. And when you think about financial statements, you often think about tax returns. It does seem like in small business the two go hand in hand. And yes, the information recorded in the financial statements does go on the tax return. It is commonly reported on your corporation or personal tax returns or however you may file. But what I don't see a lot of small business owners using their financial statements for are managerial decisions. And that often is because they're not getting the information in those financial statements in a timely manner. And I realize that small business owners, we're all very, very busy and wear a lot of different hats. But January 1st can be a fantastic, what I call stopgap, in that if you are behind in getting your company's financial statements out, say you're 3 or 4 months behind, which is a very common issue, you're not alone in that issue. January 1st could be a nice stopgap to say, all right, I'm going to do January's financial statements. I'm going to get them done. I'm actually going to do them ahead of the previous 3 or 4 months that I don't have completed yet. And I'm going to stop this situation of not having timely financial statements. And then as I can, and as I find time, I'll go back and catch the rest up. And I realize that we do have a filing deadline coming up. Traditionally, a lot of small business owners do extend their tax returns, but we do need some numbers to make those extensions. But at the same time, January 1st, as I said, could be a fantastic stopgap scenario to get your financial statements in 2012 to you in an efficient and timely manner. And making managerial decisions based on the numbers, as the old adage says, the numbers don't lie, can really change a business owner's world, really turn it upside down. What I like to do and how I advise clients is usually saying, let's plan on having last month's financial statement completed by the 10th, the 14th, the 8th of the month, whatever might make sense for that particular business. Usually by then, you've got your paper bank statement in hand, your paper credit card statements in hand, all your receipts, canceled checks, whatever it may be, all available for you. So there really shouldn't be any excuses, definitely at least by the 14th of each month, to be able to turn out a financial statement from the preceding month. That's really all I had for today. Just kind of wanted to touch on that point and kind of encourage everyone to use January 1st as that stopgap, as I mentioned. Should you have any questions or any comments, I'd love to hear them. Our website is bradstreetcpas.com, or my personal email address, should you want to have a question that you don't want to be addressed in a public forum, is lanceb@bradstreetcpas.com. Thank you. Bye.